We're a pretty small department. Last year we graduated 4 majors, but we're trying to build our majors and minors.
We generally graduate about 2, 3, 4 majors a year. Okay, minors can vary up to maybe 8, 10 maximum. It'd be nice to have more minors.
Each professor sort of has a focus. Dr. Alice's focus is Asian religions, and Dr. Krebs is Christian / Catholic religions, and we have Dr. Vogel, who's the Jewish professor.
My area of expertise is kind of like all over the map. I've been around long enough that I've done a lot of different things. In terms of topics, South Asian religions, Hinduism, South Asian Buddhism. I think I may be the only person teaching courses on South Asia.
I actually started in women's studies, and my master's was in women's studies, but I was always interested in women and religion. Yeah, I do Catholic visionary culture, so contemporary Catholic Marian visions in particular, and the kinds of cultures that are built around that. We are constantly planning new courses that we think are going to be interesting for our students. In the spring, we're actually doing a course called Religion, Mind, and Brain, which is kind of, one of the questions that the course asks is, will God die? Or is there something in the human brain that makes us religious, and that religion will never die out, among other questions that the course asks. And we're possibly teaching a course on food, Christianity, and activism. We've got a course on new religious movements. We've got a lot of really interesting courses that students can take for electives, or McDaniel plan credits, just because they're interested.
It's interesting seeing people who aren't like majors or minors come in and explore stuff that maybe they're interested in, and hopefully they get something out of it. One person did a paper on manga, right? Another person did a paper on the Ouija board, right? Explored that. I learned a lot about both of those from those presentations. A third person talked about Dybbuk in Judaism, evil spirits, and so on. You can major in more than one thing.
I'm a senior with an English and Religious Studies double major. Sophomore year I actually took 2 religious studies courses. One was Hinduism, and then the other was an apocalypse class, which completely opened my mind to the world. So I wanted to find out more, and then I was like, well, a minor is only 5 classes, and then once I did the minor I was like, well, I can add a couple of more classes.
The capstone project is typically done kind of as an independent study, and students can choose kind of a research topic, a research question in the field, and work with a faculty member to explore that.
There's a misperception that what you study in college is what your career is going to be.
We've had majors go into banking and social work and all kinds of other fields. So you can pretty much go anywhere that a liberal arts degree will take you. There's so many fields that you could go into.